Hello everyone. Here is another presentation on supply chain analytics. So myself Srirang Lohar. I am an MBA student from SAS Institute of Management, and today I am going to give a brief presentation on supply chain analytics, which is a part of operation analytics subject. So let's get started. Supply chain analytics. Analytics that can affect quality, delivery, and the customer experience and profitability. Analytics represents the ability to make data-driven decisions based on summary of relevant trusted data, often using visualization in form of graphic charts and other means. Supply chains typically generate massive amount of data. Supply chain analytics helps make sense of all this data, uncovering pattern and generating insights. So supply chain analytics is basically data related decisions. It deals with quality, delivery, and customer experience and profitability. So it is 100% dependent on data and based on summary of relevant trusted data, visualization. So what are the current trends of the company, where the company's charts are going up or down, how are the customer relationship, what are the profits, what are the quality of the products. So all these points come under supply chain analytics, and uh, these all deal with the actual data. So the it gives the actual figures of for the company for the success. So what are the different types of supply chain analytics? So the following are the supply different types of analytics. So the first one is descriptive analytics. It provides visibility and seeing source of truth across the supply chain for both internal and external systems and data. So descriptive analytics, that is, it provides visibility and seeing source of truth across the supply chain for both internal and external systems and data. Predictive analytics, it helps an organization understand the most likely outcome or future scenario and its future implications. So it is a kind of prediction for the future of the company. So what are the future scenarios for the company, what should its future implications should be, in which field, in which format, for the smooth functioning. Then pres- prescriptive analytics helps an organization solve problems and collaborate for maximum business value. So it deals with the problems that the company is facing and it helps to collaborate for maximum business value. It helps the company to collaborate with different companies or its current suppliers, vendors, for better functioning of the company. Okay. Cognitive analysis. It helps an organization answer complex questions in natural languages. So it is helpful for complex scenarios, complex problems. That analysis is called cognitive analysis. Importance of supply chain analytics. So the following are the importance of supply chain analytics. It gains a significant return on investment. It is natural when the data are actual, when the data are trusted, it gives us significant results and significant points on investment, returns on investment if the data is analyzed properly. It gives a better understanding of risk the company can face. Again, the same point as the data is actual, so it gives a actual risk where the company can face. Sorry. It increases accuracy in planning. So it also gives the flaws which the company is facing. So it helps increase the accuracy where the company is lagging behind, where the planning is lagging behind. So it helps to improve the accuracy. It helps to achieve the lean supply chain. So as the accuracy is improved, lean supply chain is improved, lean manufacturing is improved, manufacturing processes are improved. So lean supply chain is achieved and it helps prepare for the future. So supply chain analytics mainly helps prepare for the future as it gives proper data. So that was all about supply chain analytics, types of supply chain analytics and its important function, where it helps the company to grow, where it helps company to take proper decisions, and to invest in proper areas, to disinvest in wrong areas, etc., to maintain proper vendors, to maintain proper relations, etc. So that was it for supply chain analytics for today. Thank you.